Hi everyone, and welcome to this short presentation of SECO. I am Marco Parisi, Head of Investor Relations, and I would like to briefly introduce you to the SECO world. So let's first of all look at the scenario we're facing today. We are in the middle of a digital revolution where a larger and larger number of devices are becoming smart and able to generate data. Digitalization is opening the doors to a new market that is becoming bigger and bigger. In a few years' time, it is estimated that 95% of smart devices will be performing actions based on artificial intelligence algorithms. In this scenario, companies are asking for digitalized products with more and more new functionalities. But more importantly, there is a huge hidden value in the data generated by these devices. In fact, well-analyzed data can enable customers to generate more business through incremental revenue and optimized operating costs. However, until today, no one has really been able to make all this data analyzable in real time and put customers in the ideal conditions to get the best out of their data. So, how do we address this need? As you may see, digitalization embraces a huge number of sectors in the B2B world. What we do is to digitalize the products of our customers with an all-in-one solution featuring edge computing devices and an IoT and artificial intelligence software platform called Clea. On the edge computing side, we design and manufacture our devices in-house, from plain modules to fully customized systems which integrate a board with a touch display enabling human-machine interaction. This is a business with a very good visibility, around 5 years, and a gross profit margin around 45%. We solve a lot of technological complexity to our customers, which are willing to stay with us for a very long number of years. Instead, Clea is our IoT and artificial intelligence software platform, which collects the data from the field, transfers them to the cloud, and combines and normalizes a huge amount of data to make them usable for the customer. On top of this, an artificial intelligence algorithm returns a set of KPIs in real time to the users, enabling them to adopt a truly data-driven decision-making process. This is a plug-and-play platform which seamlessly integrates both with SECO and third-party hardware. And it is a recurring and incremental business with a gross profit margin around 8%, generating a huge value for our clients at a very small cost per device per month. So, in a scenario evolving so rapidly, how can we provide even more value to our clients? Our vision is that in the B2B world, people will want to access a number of AI functionalities in the same way in which today they can access a huge number of apps from their mobile phones. This is what we have in mind, a B2B app store made by SECO with a number of apps specific by vertical and by functionality that our customers will be able to download. So, looking at our path so far, we are a growth story, a group able to deliver an organic CAGR of almost 20% in the last few years and double the EBITDA in size, from 8 million in 2018 to 16 million in 2020, more than 20% of revenue, also thanks to a very important operating leverage effect. We are very diversified in terms of end markets, which makes our business anti-cyclical and allowed us to grow by 16% in 2020 despite the pandemic, and by 22% in the first 9 months of 2021 despite the component shortage on the market. Also, we couple a strong organic growth with a track record of quality M&A deals. This is why we went public, to raise money to further boost our buy and build capabilities and create value for our shareholders with new value accretive transactions. The latest one of which is Garz & Fricke, which we acquired in October 2021. We are now the European leader in our market and among the top 3 worldwide. So, in a world evolving so fast, we want to give our customers not just the data, but also a secure by design space where devices can safely perform machine-to-machine and mobile-to-machines interactions without the human presence. A new market is arising with digitalization, and we have the ambition to become global leaders into it. Thank you very much for your attention, and looking forward to speak soon.
Hi there, since you watched this company video until the end, I'm guessing you liked the video. And that's probably because we work very hard to create the most engaging and added value content for you. If you're a company and want to find out how we, at Seat11A, can make a company video with and about you, please email us at content@seat11a.com.